another museum moment. I'm Ashley, and I'm standing here in the visitor center today because it's Christmas time here at the McFaddin-Ward house. So today, I'm going to show you one of Ida Caldwell McFaddin's eggnog recipes, because every Christmas time they would go to each other's houses and exchange gifts and have eggnog with each other. So this is one of her recipes, and stick around and I'll show you how to do it.
The recipe I'm following comes from Ida's own hand, found in her personal recipe book. Her ingredients include 6 fresh eggs, half a cup of sugar, 1 pint rich cream, and 1 pint of milk. Although for this batch, I chose to forego the whiskey and the rum. The family kept up the tradition of making holiday eggnog even as technology changed. In 1938, Mamie writes in her diary that she used an electric beater for the first time when making 3 gallons of eggnog with her mother. Now on display in the breakfast room is a beautiful chased silver punch bowl, which could have been used for things like eggnog.
If you want to try this recipe on your own, you can find it in this perfectly splendid cookbook, which is a collection of the family's recipes and other recipes from Southeast Texas. From everyone here at the McFaddin-Ward house, we wish you a happy holidays. Cheers!